Hey guys, YugiohKorean here with a box, and a box always means mail. Yes, so I got mail today. I got these two special edition Stardust. I forgot the name of this card. So there's 8 packs in it. Since I saw them online, they were pretty cheap, so I just got 2. And the seller gave me free packs, so I'll be opening these packs for you guys today. Ragnarok Premium Pack 5 and Gold Series 2009. So let's start with Ragnarok. I already opened like a lot of these packs, so still looking for a key there. Stardust Phantom, cool. Gold Series. Mirror Force, Heavy Storm, Ryza, Royal Decree, Fire Dragon, Banisher, and Scapegoat. Cool. Last pack, Premium Pack 5. I never opened any Premium Packs before, so this is gonna be cool. Hoping for Gaia. Let's see. I have no idea what this card is. Oh yes, a Gaia. Yes. Cool. I forgot. Clear Vice Dragon and Yaka, is it? I forgot. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my opening of these 2 special editions. I'll be posting them like maybe once per week, and also the Storm Ragnarok box opening, so look forward to that. So